Hi everyone, welcome to eLearning Trainer channel. In Zoom Cloud Meetings Lesson 1, we have discussed about free and paid version of Zoom, and we follow the steps how to sign up and use the different features. In Lesson 2, we are going to learn how to host, join and schedule a meeting. Let's take a start. Open the website zoom.us and you can find our sign in option on top right corner. Once you click on it, it will ask you to add the credential. Use the same email ID which you used for sign up. Click on sign in, and here is a dashboard of Zoom meetings. You can enjoy all the free features on this platform. You can schedule a meeting, you can join a meeting and host a meeting as well. To save time by scheduling your meetings directly from your calendar, you can add on extensions in your browser. Chrome extension, Microsoft Outlook plugins, Firefox add-ons. On left side, you can find our profile, meetings, webinar, recordings, settings. We will continue discussing all the options one by one. As an admin, you can do user management, room management, and account management. On top, you can find out upcoming meetings, previous meetings, personal meeting room, meeting templates. Upcoming meetings mean all the meetings you have scheduled for coming days. You can find out all the list in this section. Previous meetings mean all the meetings which already been finished. On the top header on the right side, there is an option host a meeting. If you wanted to host a meeting instantly, you can do it by this way. Click on host a meeting and you can find out three different options: with video off, with video on, screen share only. I will continue with video off. On this page, you need to give a permission and need to click on allow. If you already installed the application on your system, it will directly log in. Otherwise, it will ask you to download the application. Once you logged in to host a meeting, you can find out all the options and information on this page: meeting topic, host name, password, and invite link. On the bottom, you can find out different options that record, share screen, chat, participants, security, start video, and mute. You can use all these options for your meeting. Click on join audio and you can make settings for mic and speakers. Share a screen means you can share your screen, your desktop, with your participants. And there are different options available: desktop, whiteboard, and many other options available. If you wanted to share some information with your participants, so you can use this option. For sharing, on the bottom, you can select either share computer sounds or optimize screen share for video clips. Once you're done, on the bottom right corner, click on share button and screen will be shared. You can mute your audio and you can enable. Next option is start a video. Once you click on that option, you will have a pop-up menu in front of you and you can find out three different options. You can select your camera, choose virtual background, and the last one is video setting. We're gonna explore all the options one by one. Click on video settings, and in this area, other than video settings, you can find out different options like audio, share screens, chat, all the customized property settings you can find over here, and you can do by yourself as per your needs and requirement. For example, in audio, you can test a mic, you can test the speakers. In share screen, you can have different options, you can check or uncheck as per your needs. You can customize your chat, and you can find out virtual background, recordings, profile, statistics, everything you can explore in this area. The next very interesting option is choose virtual background. If you do not have an appropriate background, then no worries. Zoom Cloud Meeting is offering a virtual background. In virtual background, you can set your background as per your requirement and whatever you like it. There are some set of customized backgrounds available in Zoom, and you can import if you want something different. On the bottom, you can find out two different options. Number one is mirror my video, and I have a green screen. Mirror my video, you can check and uncheck, and I have a green screen. It means if you want a smooth background, virtual background, then you need to put a green cloth or green paper on your back side, so it will have more smooth videos and more smooth virtual backgrounds. Like you can see, I do not have a green screen, so it's mixing up with my videos and background. Next option is profile. In profile, there are multiple options available. You can view advanced features, you can upgrade to the paid version, and you can edit my profile as well. To make it fast your work, you can find out different shortcut keys in keyboard shortcuts. The next option is accessibility. Here you can find out different options. If you need it, you can choose it. The first option is general, and there are some general settings. You can check and uncheck. There are some options which are by default checked, and remaining you can customize as per your requirement. That's all from today's lesson. Hope you learned something new. If you have any question or queries, please do send us in the comment section, and we will try to get back to you as early as possible. Please like our channel, our videos, and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.